Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to make your videos look more colorful and eye-catching? Canva Mobile's vivid filters can enhance colors, increase visual impact, and give your footage a more vibrant appearance in just a few taps. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to apply vivid filters to videos in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. You can start with an existing video project or create a new video from the beginning. For this example, I'll create a new video, tap Video, choose YouTube Video. Next, choose a template that you want to use. When the video editor opens, tap the video clip you want to adjust on the timeline. Swipe through the editing options at the bottom until you find Filters, then tap Filters. The Filters panel will appear. Select Vivid. If you don't see it, swipe through the filter categories until you find Vivid. The Vivid category offers different styles that can make colors appear stronger and help your video stand out. Tap each filter to preview how it changes your video. Experiment with different options and select the one that creates the look you want. After choosing a filter, tap the X icon. Then, tap the checkmark icon. Your selected vivid filter will now be applied to the video. To save your video, tap the upload icon. Select share or download. For this example, I'll choose download. The download settings will appear. You can adjust the file type and quality or keep the default settings, then tap download. Canva will process and save your video. And that's how to apply vivid filters to videos in Canva Mobile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.